Stand up now.
No.
Man, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look at her first.
No. She's not cooperating. She'll give us her name. She called 911.
I think she's got to go to jail.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got to go to jail.
Okay.
On January 4th, 2025, airport police responded to a gate incident at a commercial U.S. airport.
How you doing? Okay? What's going on?
I have a flight for this evening, but I'm trying to check into an earlier one, the same place. But the system's not working. I can't.
What did the ticket agent guy tell you?
Well, I told him. I tried to tell him.
So you don't have a ticket?
I have a ticket, but it's for a later.
Okay.
And I wanted to get onto an earlier one. I'm trying to change it. It won't let me change it.
Yeah. So you tried to get on a plane?
Yeah.
Okay. You got to have a ticket for that flight, though, right? That's my understanding. Okay. Why he wouldn't help you? Okay. Let me see what your phone's not working. What's it saying? This is your ticket. This is your current ticket?
My current ticket.
Oh, you canceled it. Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
Trying to go into this one.
Yeah, this is probably already booked, but you got to go through them. You can't do it on the
It's
app.
not canceled. It's right here.
Oh, you still have it. Okay. What
Just
time?
trying to change it to an earlier.
Okay. Because they have flights all day, you know.
You're not allowed to go right now.
Yeah, just sit down.
Okay,
We're
you
trying to
sit
work.
down.
We're trying to work this out.
You're not allowed to leave.
We don't know what happened. They said you tried to get on a plane, you didn't have a ticket. Is that a big deal? It can be, but we don't want it to be. So just relax. You're not in trouble. We got to figure out what we're going to do, though, right? And up to us, up to the airport. We're just cops that work at the airport, okay? Work with us a little bit, though. A little bit of cooperation will go a long way, okay?
If you're able to tell us exactly what's going on and help us help you, okay?
Well, she said she wanted to get on the earlier flight, but there was some issues with booking, and
Yeah, but
he
you can't
wasn't
just jump on a flight.
right. You just can't open the door and run on the plane, because that would be bad. That's like trespassing, you know.
So, do you have any identification on
All I
you?
wanted to do was change my flight from, it's the same flight,
Yeah.
same place.
Same
But I'm
place.
changing it from a later time to an earlier time, but the system is not letting me do it.
Okay. So then it probably means you're not able to do it, which means you're not going to be able to fly early.
Yeah, you couldn't get on this
What's
flight.
wrong with the system?
Yeah, you couldn't get on this flight because it's probably already booked, and
In full.
you didn't have the boarding pass for this flight. So that would have been. That's okay because they can redo it. They can redo it right here and assist you with that.
I would like to go on this flight.
But
But
you can't.
that one's already done. That one's gone.
It's
You know.
full. There's no room for you.
Yeah, it's already loaded up.
Which is probably why he didn't get
Right.
you on that.
Yeah.
Excuse me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Why you still hasn't taken out this way?
So
The agent wasn't here. It's probably too late. What time were they already boarded?
They boarded, but my flight doesn't leave till 7:07.
Yeah, well, it's past. There's a cutoff time, and like 15 minutes cutoff time. So it's like at 6:58. So you're past the cutoff time. Somebody will be back here in a minute. If not, you can go up front and go talk to the ticket agent and rebook. I'm not sure. We got this other thing, but he was just here. He may be coming back in a minute. The American agent. Like I said, boarding ends 15 minutes before departure, so you kind of missed it because of the line of TSA. So you probably got to rebook. But just hang out, and somebody will be here in a second. If not, go back out, and go back to the
Can
ticket.
I have someone help me, please? Because they won't let me leave the airport.
Yeah.
They won't let me get on a flight. They won't let me leave. And what are you doing?
what did you just try to do?
Get on the flight.
Okay, that you're not allowed to
But
be
you
on.
guys are not letting me change the flight and get on the flight. I just
She's got a question over here too, but it's something unrelated. What are we doing? Sergeant, look at the video. What's her name?
I don't know.
You got anything? She said she had a flight, a later flight. We couldn't check.
I've seen it.
You're not.
That's not what I need. Black or whatever the
You want to
problem
come
is.
back? That's not
I'm going to leave.
Jordan.
No, you're not.
You cannot do that.
Okay, let's.
Here, he can now explain something.
Yeah. Show them your ticket stuff.
Just no, I don't trust you. I don't trust any of
Okay,
you. Just
that's all right.
give me my bag.
We're
You're
being-
not leaving
This
right
is
now.
not your bag.
We're
This is
recording.
my bag. You need to let go.
You're not leaving.
I'm gonna call someone because this is not right.
Go
Okay.
ahead.
Passengers are advised not to leave baggage unattended at any time.
You don't have the information at
Control
all. right?
closely all personal belongings and carry-on items.
Can you show him your ID, man?
Operation.
Would you want to show him your ID?
He's gonna maybe try to help you.
I'm gonna go to
First
primary.
off, what are you wanting done with her? Are Are you filing
Because
anything?
I mean, I guess because I don't know her. She was trying to get on my aircraft, so that's a big
Are you
issue.
allowing her to fly on another?
The person, I don't know what's going on.
Did she pull the door, walk on a jet bridge? What happened?
I had the door open. I was finishing boarding,
Alright.
and I did my final boarding. She went down. I was like, man, your boarding pass. She didn't show me anything. She was like, oh, look at
Did
this.
she get on the jet bridge?
So I tell her, hey, what is your name? So I looked the people that was missing. She was not in there.
I'm at A5.
And she said, I'm on the later flight. When I get on this one, I was like, man, you cannot do that. I mean, you have to have a ticket for this flight. Then
There was some.
she sit down.
Okay.
She's in normal.
Okay.
And at some point
But then
she
she tried
started.
to force her way on.
Yeah, she went down. And
How
I
far-
grabbed her quick before
How far
she
did she get? No, you can just tell me.
Because I'm sitting with.
I'm on Charlie. We're gonna cancel
mine's
this now.
on too.
We're gonna call this
So
now.
let me recreate it.
Okay, so-
basically she went down
Right
there
here?
and I grabbed her really quick, like say,
Okay.
man, no, you cannot go,
Okay,
please.
and that was
she
it?
didn't resist or
And
anything.
sat down.
But I mean,
Okay. You
that,
close the door.
that made me feel like that was not right.
So Brian says,
Who says?
Brian, the ticket agent,
Hispanic guy? His name's Brian?
Brian Guerrero, he said, she's sitting, the door's open. He's the last people that boarded. She said, I'm trying to get on the flight. He's sorry, man, you can't go. She sat down. He was dealing with something. She got up and tried to go, and she actually entered the jet bridge.
Yeah.
He said, no, no, no. She made it like 3 or 4 steps in and pushed her back.
Where did he go?
He's right there. Oh, I got his information.
Oh, well, the videos, it looks like from the video,
She's not.
Jimbo's Fisher's kid's like the last one to get on.
Yeah.
He closes the door, and then it looks like he's probably making the final boarding call. Like probably like a minute, he lets Jimbo's Fisher's kid on, shuts the door. Like a minute later, I assume he's making the last call. She starts walking up, and he opens the door, like inviting her in the door, and then he kind of stops her. And I'm assuming he's like, I need a boarding pass. And she shows the phone, and I think he's pointing to the scanner.
Yeah.
And she scans, and something went wrong. So it looks like he pointed for her to sit, the door wide open. He pulled the manifest, and then she just, while he was screwing with the manifest, probably getting ready to give it to
Tried
the
to walk
captain.
on.
She tried to walk on, and he jumped in front of her and kind of struggled. She resisted a little bit because she put her hand like.
So were you at TPW or at BA 52? She's not cooperating. She won't give us her name. She called 911.
I think she's got to go to jail.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got to go to jail.
Okay. No, she said she had one for a later flight today, but she wanted to get on this flight, and she tried to rebook. But we're almost at 10:15.
What did he say?
Video's pretty conclusive that she tried to get on when he was busy. He thought she tried to scan, but didn't work. He started looking at manifest. She tried to run on a plane. He had to physically restrain her from getting on. 37? Probably. We'll wait and see. He's going to make the call.
But she hasn't given her a name or
No,
anything?
she's refusing. She's kind of like not talking.
I'm going to try talking. Good. We're going to go at her. She was very nice in the beginning.
She was trying to get up and go, but I told her she's.
Then she called 911, so
Okay.
Yeah.
we're going to stand.
I told her she's not free to
They
go.
sent the call to us, so it
Passengers
doesn't kind
are
of make sense.
So we're trying to help you here. All right, you got yourself in a pickle. And if you want to talk to us, the pickle might be able to get better. If not, it's not going to get any better. So can we start with your ID, your phone, something?
not to leave baggage
I just would like to leave the airport.
Okay, you're not free to leave until we identify you to start with.
Thank you for your cooperation.
I know these officers are super officers and been super nice to you. All right.
They've
So
been
let's start
so
with
nice.
producing
But
some.
my thing is, why are you not allowing me to leave? Or I can't go on the flight. I can't leave. I can't do anything.
You're not free to go
Why am I not free to go? What did I do
because you're being
wrong?
detained right now
Why would I be detained?
because you went through that door without permission.
I'm just trying to get on a flight, an earlier flight. The system is not working. So I asked him. He wouldn't
well,
help
let's
me.
see your boarding pass
so I'm
on
trying
your
to go
phone.
under, and I'm not going to give that to you because I do not trust you.
Okay.
I would like to leave, and you're not letting me leave. That seems very illegal to me. And you're cops. You shouldn't be doing this. You cannot hold a person against their will. You can't tell them they can't do. It's like you're just trying to trap me or something. What are you trying to do?
Well, I'll back off you a little bit, but no, we need to identify you
you
with the
want-
driver's license or some type of
If
ID
you're
card,
trying
passport.
to de-escalate a situation, And I'm telling you, I'm just gonna leave and I'll find my own way, a different way, because I don't know what's going on in this airport. I've been here before. I had a suitcase here and some things happened here. And I do not trust the airport, but I tried again. And another thing. So I just would like to leave and I don't want to deal with this anymore. And everything that you guys are doing right now, it just,
You understand
does
the
not-
reason you're
it's
not
very
allowed to
wrong.
leave is because you committed what's called a crime. When you tried to
I
force
just
your way
tried
onto
to
that
go on a
No, ma'am.
flight.
And yes,
I have a ticket.
You tried to do
The
something
system
that
is
you're
not
not
letting
allowed
me
to
go
do
on the flight.
because it's not for this flight.
Okay, but I have a ticket. I said I was.
You said you had a ticket. You've not shown that to anyone.
Look, I watched the video. What did the gentleman tell you when you were getting ready to get on? Then he stopped you, and then you had to scan your phone. He looked at your phone, and then he said no. What did he tell you? Stand up now.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to be under arrest.
All right, look over first.
No.
You gotta pull it up a little bit.
You got it. All right, bring that one around. Just go on to the back.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's what the-
All right, sit down. We're good.
You can hold on to it. That's fine.
No. Stop.
Let's just take it
Give me my
off.
property. Do not do that. Do not do that.
Stop. Let's
Why
go.
are you arresting me just for going on a flight or trying to
We
go on
tried
a
to explain it to you,
Let
man.
go.
Come on, stand up. We
Take the
can
cuffs
walk.
off. And I didn't do
Stand up.
anything
Well, let's go
wrong.
walk over
Well,
here.
let's get out of here.
No.
Yeah, we gotta go. Come on.
Yeah, I'll get a chair.
All right, no, we don't need it. She's gonna walk. Come
You
on.
gonna walk?
I got your purse. You gotta explain yourself. We don't understand what you're saying.
But I'm sure her purse is in there. Her ID.
Can I hold my bag?
We're just gonna go with you.
Do you unhook those things or?
Yeah,
Here, let me hold this while you sit there.
We'll get right back to you.
You gotta sit down.
We're going to give it back to you.
Good? All right, I'll tell Mike you're transporting if you switch it over.
Passenger attempted to board a flight without a valid boarding pass for that departure. Physically entered a secured jet bridge without authorization after being denied boarding. What followed raises critical questions about aviation security law, investigative detention, and citizen rights. Bridge is a restricted area under federal law. 56 of the U.S. Code. Section 4631 prohibits knowingly entering any secured airport area without authorization. Statute applies regardless of whether the individual holds a ticket for a later flight. Ticket for a different departure does not constitute authorization enter a secured zone. Officers detain the subject immediately upon arrival. This is a lawful investigative detention, not an arrest. Terry v. Ohio, 1968. Police may briefly detain a person when reasonable articulable suspicion exists. Airline personnel reported an unauthorized jet bridge entry corroborated by gate surveillance video. Port alone satisfies the Terry standard. The detention was constitutionally sound from the outset. The officers repeatedly requested identification. The subject refused throughout the encounter. Hiibel v. Nevada, 2004. The Supreme Court held that states may require individuals to identify themselves during a lawful Terry stop. Does not violate the Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination, provided a stop and identify statute is in effect. Refusal to identify during a lawful detention is itself grounds for continued or extended detention. The subject argued that holding her against her will was illegal. She was partially correct in principle. Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures, but a Terry stop is a recognized constitutional exception. Key word is unreasonable. When supported by articulable suspicion, a brief seizure is constitutionally permissible. Her frustration was understandable. Her legal conclusion, however, was not supported by established precedent. Airline agent, identified as Brian Guerrero, reported that the subject scanned her phone. The scan failed. She was directed to sit. While the agent handled the boarding manifest, she walked onto the jet bridge unannounced. The agent physically intercepted her. She offered brief resistance before being stopped. Surveillance video confirmed this sequence. Officers described it on camera as pretty conclusive. Independent corroboration strengthens both the detention basis and any subsequent criminal charge. After approximately 8 minutes of negotiation, officers issued an arrest command at the 10:33 mark. The subject initially refused to stand. Officers applied hands-on compliance technique. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is assessed from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision. Used. Verbal commands followed by physical compliance sits at the lowest tier of the use of force continuum. No weapons were displayed or deployed. The level of control applied was proportional and legally justified. Potential criminal exposure for the subject includes 3 distinct areas. Criminal trespass in a restricted area, a misdemeanor in most U.S. jurisdictions. Second, federal violation under 49 U.S.C. 6341, unauthorized entry into a secured airport zone. Third, obstruction refusal to identify during a lawful investigative stop under applicable state statute. Federal prosecution under 4631 is discretionary. State charges are the more likely avenue for a first-time, nonviolent incident. Subject repeatedly asserted she had committed no crime. This belief reflects a common and critical misunderstanding. Attempting to board without authorization, even if you hold a ticket for a different departure, is not a civil matter. Security areas carry federal statutory protection. The intent to board early does not override that protection. Case outcome remains unknown at the time of this analysis. No court records or charging documents were located. Based on the legal framework and documented conduct, any trespass charge would likely survive initial constitutional challenge. A civil rights claim under Section 1983 would face significant difficulty given the documented reasonable suspicion and proportional force. Grading. Police officers receive a B+. Demonstrated sustained, good faith de-escalation for 8 minutes before resorting to arrest. The legal basis for detention and arrest was sound throughout. Force was proportional and within accepted parameters. However, the arrest decision appeared partly contingent on the airline agent's preference rather than independent officer judgment. Miranda advisement was not captured on camera prior to custodial questioning, a procedural gap worth noting. Subject receives a C. Her underlying grievance, a booking system failure and unhelpful airline staff, was legitimate. However, entering a secured jet bridge without authorization crossed into federal statutory violation. Refusing to provide identification during a lawful detention compounded her exposure and made resolution impossible. Complying early, providing identification, and pursuing an airline complaint would have avoided arrest entirely. The agent Brian Guerrero receives a B. He intervened appropriately to prevent the unauthorized jet bridge entry and cooperated fully with law enforcement. He, however, leaving the jet bridge door open while processing the boarding, manifest created the opportunity the subject exploited. Standard boarding protocol should include securing the door during final manifest processing. 2 lessons learned. 1. In aviation settings, restricted areas carry federal protection. It does not override statute. 2. A Terry stop is not an arrest, but it is a lawful seizure. Cooperation ends it faster than resistance. Refusing to identify during a lawful detention is itself a criminal exposure in stop and identify states. 4. The appropriate remedy for an airline booking failure is a complaint or supervisor, not self-help entry into a restricted zone. Airline personnel share responsibility for access control. Door management during boarding is a security function, not a courtesy. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.